There are many ways to speed up your editing workflow in Lightroom. You can create a preset, for example, or you can auto batch edit your photos. But actually, I think there's a quicker way. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my two-step technique to dramatically speed up your editing workflow and edit 10 times faster when using Lightroom. And I'm going to start right now. Before we start, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and ringing the bell to stay in the loop and be notified when we release new videos. So for this technique to work, we're only going to need a few things. Firstly, you're going to need a series of photos that you'd like to go ahead and edit in a consistent style. So if you're maybe a landscape photographer, wedding or even events photographer, and basically you've got a very consistent gallery and you want to edit all your photos the same way, this is the technique for you. As well as you want to make sure that you haven't yet imported those photos into Lightroom, because what we're going to do is part of the technique is actually on the import stage of Lightroom. As well as you're going to need some kind of consistent style. So you're going to need a preset already in your mind. This is what you want your photos to look like, as well as the preset already imported into Lightroom. Okay, so after all of that, what we're going to do is we're just simply going to go ahead and load up Lightroom. Then what we're going to do is jump over to our import page. So this is where we go ahead and import all of our photos. And the photos for this particular tutorial, I'm just going to import these 12. So I'm going to drag and drop them into Lightroom. It's some photos I've recently taken on a lens review. Now, before you go ahead and just simply click import, there's one setting we need to change, and it's inside our apply during import. Then drop down to your develop settings, click on that, and these are all of the presets that you've got inside your Lightroom. Now for me, I'm gonna go ahead and choose wedding preset pack 1, and then I'm gonna go ahead and choose autumnal wedding. So what this will do is when you go ahead and import your photos into Lightroom, it will apply a preset automatically for you, which is really fast and really does speed up your editing workflow. So once you've done that, simply go ahead and click import. And then depending on how many photos you've got, depending on what type of preset you're applying, if it's got any masks or AI masks built in, it could take several seconds like it's done myself, or it could take several minutes. Now annoyingly, with the brand new Lightroom, for some bizarre reason, it doesn't show you that you've actually applied a preset to them, which is really annoying. But if you go ahead and click on the develop panel, you can see that it has actually applied it, which is really nice. But what you might find is when you flick through the photos, the exposure value changes between each one. Well, this is where the second part of my technique really comes into play. What we're going to do is match all of the exposure across these photos. So simply jump back to our library panel, then go ahead to your very first image and go ahead and correct the exposure. So what I'm going to do is simply brighten that up ever so slightly. So this is the exposure that I want to apply to the entirety of my photos. So let's jump back to the library panel. With that photo selected, we're going to go ahead and select all 12 of our images, or how many photos you've got in your collection. Then go to photo, drop down to develop settings, then match total exposure. So what this will do is Lightroom will look at your very first image, look at the exposure value, so the histogram, and apply that exposure value to all of your photos. And it does a really good job, although some photos might be a little bit too dark or a little bit too bright. So for example, this image here is maybe a smidge too dark, so we can go ahead and simply brighten that up. And then let's go to photo 11 here. This one's also probably a little bit too dark. And we'll go back. And as you can see, we've edited incredibly fast. We've applied a preset on import and then matched total exposure. So we've edited 12 images consistently within, 2 minutes? Really, really fast. And obviously, the more photos you've got, the quicker this will become. So instead of spending hours upon hours editing maybe 100 photos, 200 photos, apply a preset on import and then match total exposure. And it's a lot easier to tweak several photos here and there than it is to apply a preset every single time. So if you really want to speed up your editing workflow, this two-step technique is incredibly fast. All you need to do is apply a preset on import and then match total exposure.